Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. And in today's video, I will show you and tell you how you can easily find drafts on your YouTube. Friends, please subscribe to this channel, write comments at the end of the video, and also don't forget to put your likes. So let us get started with you. And open up the YouTube app on your device. After that, let's create a little video. I'm going to show you how to add drafts in general. You'll need to click on this plus sign here. And then you can make some video, let's say. And now that the video's done, you're gonna have to, in order to move it into the drafts, click in the top left-hand corner on this cross here. And now select Add to Drafts. And how to find them. To find the drafts, again, click on the plus sign. Next, in the bottom right corner, you'll see a section called Drafts. Go to it. And here you'll see a full list of videos that you have in your drafts. And you can either select a video to work with it and display it, or you can delete it. In order to delete it, you'll need to click on these three dots next to the video and select Delete. This will remove the video from your drafts folder. That's the simple way to find your YouTube drafts. I really hope this video was helpful for you. Please write comments, put likes, subscribe to this channel, and see you soon.